Okay, so let's understand how we can change our top graphic and our site name and copyright information. So once you're logged into your WordPress admin, you can go to Customize. And then in Customize, you have a couple of options here. So I'm going to go to Theme Options and go to General and then change this to something that makes sense to me. So I'm going to call this Robert's Recipe Short or Shorts Recipe Videos. So I change that, then I go back here and I can go back here again and go and change the header image. Now, here's the directions for this. You can make this is 1080 wide, but I think I made this one about 500 pixels high to basically fit into the proportions of a smartphone. You could experiment with this. I use Adobe XD for this. You can use any other, you can use Illustrator, Photoshop, Canva, of course, is a free program, but that tells you the dimensions. These dimensions basically are for a desktop computer. I made it a little bit taller so it looks better on an iPhone. So I'm gonna go and just get rid of these graphics. Now again, this is already part of your system, so if you want to go ahead and delete the one that came with it, you can simply click right here and delete that. Now, anytime you're uploading a graphic, I highly suggest you pay attention to this. So do yourself a favor for SEO. Don't be lazy with this. So take the name of the graphic. Don't just call it image 1 or image 2. You want to get this into SEO. You want to get this in the search engines. Now, it's very good practice. Anytime you post a graphic or a video to put the word hashtag shorts, that's directives coming right from YouTube. It's going to basically help your SEO capabilities, and hit save and skip cropping. Now, what's really cool about this, if you want to basically rotate out different colors or different header graphics, you can do that by bringing in more graphics and then just hit randomize upload headers. And then go ahead and publish this. So that's how you change the copyright information of your site and the header graphic one step at a time. So if I close out of this and refresh the page, you're all set.